Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. I am a registered dietitian, but I share lots of videos here on my channel about nutrition, health, wellness, non-toxic products, and some lifestyle videos as well. So in today's video, we are totally switching it up and we are doing a good old-fashioned makeup tutorial. It has been so long since I've done one of those. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you will have already known about a year ago, I decided to kind of embark on this journey of switching over all of my products from conventional stuff to non-toxic products. And when it came to switching out my makeup, I was really hesitant. It was one of the last things that I actually ditched and switched, just because I've always been a makeup junkie and I like what I like, and I was just afraid that I wasn't gonna find stuff that worked as well as the conventional stuff. But honestly, I have been pretty much so blown away. There are so many good products out there that are made with natural ingredients that don't have any chemicals or toxins that are going to mess with our hormones or increase our risk of cancer or mess with our immune systems or anything like that. And I'm really, really excited because today I'm actually partnering with 100% Pure Cosmetics, and they are sponsoring this video, and I got to try out some of their makeup goodies. I feel like this is one of the OG non-toxic brands, at least from my experience, what I have noticed. But they have so many amazing not only cosmetics but also skincare as well, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorites in today's video. So if you guys are unfamiliar with 100% Pure, like I said, they have cosmetics and skincare. And what is really, really cool about their, well, obviously it's non-toxic because, I'm all about the non-toxic these days, but all of their makeup is actually it uses fruit pigments. So all of the colors that you see in all of their different makeup products are pulled from fruit, which is insane. So completely naturally derived. They are very, very high quality, and you will see they apply beautifully. They are all gorgeous, and it is so high quality, and it really does apply like any of the makeup I used to use, and now just without any of that gross stuff in there that we don't really want on our bodies. They're also a completely cruelty-free brand, which is pretty awesome, and all of their products are either vegan or vegetarian, and they are currently transitioning to be a 100% vegan brand, which is pretty cool because I know a lot of you guys who follow me on here are totally plant-based, so I'm sure that that is something that you would appreciate. But without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this warm, glowy, just kind of beautifully defined makeup look, let's get started. Okay, so I have nothing on my face except for just some moisturizer and a little bit of chapstick. So the very first thing I'm going to do is start with my face. So I actually recently switched over to using powder foundation, which I never used before, and honestly thought was not very good, but I really, really love this one. So this is by Savvy Minerals. I use a misting spray as well as the powder foundation. So what I do is just spray my brush, and then I will dip it in the powder, and then I just kind of tap it in here just to get any excess off, and then I will just start buffing it onto my skin. It really doesn't add a ton of, I mean, you can build up the coverage, but when I use it, I don't add a serious amount of coverage. But once you get everything else on, concealer and bronzer and blush, it has the most beautiful finish, and it really is all I need. And it's making me realize that I don't need really full coverage, which is kind of nice. And Savvy Minerals is by, it's from Young Living, which is that same company that I get my essential oils from. I get a ton of non-toxic products, supplements, cleaning supplies. I get so much from them, and now I get a ton of my makeup from them too, and I actually really, really like it. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer. This is the Hint Duet Perfecting Concealer. I absolutely love this. I've purchased this multiple times because it's so good. It is super, super full coverage, and I love it under my under eyes and then also down my nose, and I have the color Light. So I just apply it. Sometimes if I'm moving really quickly with my finger, other times I will grab a concealer brush and I will just kind of do that upside down triangle underneath of my eyes to really brighten them up, and then blend it out with a, it's not a beauty blender, I have the Real Techniques one. Okay, so this side is fully concealed, and then on this side you can see where I apply the concealer kind of in that triangle shape, and then I also just take a little bit of concealer and just a little bit apply it to the top of my lid too, to cover up any redness or veins, and it just makes a really nice base for eyeshadow. And then I put a little bit down my nose as well, and then I just tap it and blend that out. Okay, and then to set all of that concealer, I use another one of those Savvy Minerals. This is foundation again. This is in the color Warm 1, and then for my face, I used Warm 2. So I just take this damp beauty sponge, dip it right in the powder, and then I just go right underneath of my eyes and set all of that. And it literally does not budge, and this concealer really does not crease. It's seriously so good, and it's completely non-toxic. Okay, so now we get to move on to the face. So I'm gonna go in with bronzer first. Bronzer is probably one of my favorite makeup products, and this is by 100% Pure. It is their Cocoa Glow bronzer, and it's pretty dark, which is what I actually really like because a little bit goes a long way. And I like using this big fluffy large powder brush from Sigma, and I will just start going along my cheekbones, and then I will also go up on my temples, top of forehead, all in there, and I will just kind of keep dusting it on until I get like my desired bronziness. And I will also take it down my neck as well. Okay, so what I like to do next using that same bronzer is I actually like to switch brushes. This one is like a much more fine, like detailed, kind of like a contour brush. So I like doing this because I just personally like a lot of bronzer. I really like to pack it on. So I feel like that big fluffy brush kind of gives you like an all over glow. And then I'm gonna go in with this brush and the bronzer and just kind of give my cheekbones like a little bit more definition. And I pretty much go, really like to hit my cheekbones with this, but I will also kind of go in all of those other areas, like up here that I showed before, just as kind of like a contour and just to define my face a little bit more. And then I also like to go underneath of my chin as well to kind of define that area. So bronzer is done. I seriously love this bronzer. I feel like it just gives the perfect warm glow without being too over the top, but also like not too light. I don't know, it's just like the perfect color. But next I'm gonna go in with some blush. How gorgeous is this blush color? It is in the shade Pretty Naked, and it is the Fruit Pigmented blush, again by 100% Pure. So I'm just using this Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm just going to start applying this to the apples of my cheeks, and then I just kind of pull it back. And I like a lot of blush. I feel like blush really brings your face to life and like really brings your whole like face together. So I'm just gonna kind of go to town with this. Okay, blush is on. I love this blush color. It's like a perfect, just like everyday, simple blush color. Nothing crazy, but it just gives your cheeks a nice glow. Now moving on to eyes. The eyes and kind of the lips are really what's gonna give this makeup tutorial. This is pretty much like my basic everyday makeup, just with a twist for fall. So the eyes and the lips are kind of where I'm going to give it that fall feeling. So I'm actually just going in with that same bronzer I was just using a second ago. And this is what I'm going to use in my crease to really just warm it up. That is one like awesome hack. Pretty much any bronzer is also great to use as a crease color, like a really nice warm brown. And it's nice because you can just use the same product. It skips a step and, well, not skips a step, but it saves you a little bit of time. And I'm just using a fluffy brush and just fluffing this all around in there. So that is on. Normally I don't go super dark with my crease color, but since this is like a fall makeup look, I really wanted to like deepen that up and for it to just be really rich and warm. So then I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow right here. It's kind of like a mauvey brown purple color, and it is the color Petal Tip. Again, this is by 100% Pure. Okay, I just need to like rave about this eyeshadow for a second. I think this is like my all-time favorite eyeshadow color, except for just like a good old warm brown in the crease. It is like the perfect definition color for your eyes if you really want to define them and you want them to pop, but it's also like not too dark or smoky or like a statement at all. It's just the most gorgeous color. I actually, when I got this, I couldn't wait to use it. So I actually used this on my eyes for my sister-in-law's wedding, which was a couple weekends ago, and I loved the way that it turned out, and I loved it so much that I actually I did her makeup for her wedding, and I actually ended up using this color on her, and it is just stunning. It is just like the perfect color. I don't know, I'm obsessed. Anyway, I'm gonna stop ranting about that. So I just have it on this kind of smaller, fluffier brush, and I am just going to kind of apply this in my like lower outer V / crease, just to deepen it up a little bit and add a little bit more like dimension and depth, because I really want the eyes to be warm and really pop for this fall look. So, okay, that is it for the petal tip shadow. I'm so in love with that. And you can really see that it does like define the eyes, it makes them pop, but it's not too dark. It's just like the perfect color. I'm obsessed. Then I always like a little bit of shimmer on my eyes, so I'm gonna go in with this mineral shadow. It is again by Savvy Minerals, and it's the color Residual, and it's just like a really very neutral light champagne pink color. And I literally just tap my finger in there, and I just tap it. Sorry, I don't mean to give you guys the finger. I'm just tapping it on like the inner corner of my lid, just to give a little bit of light and highlight that area a little bit. And then I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of liner, and I've actually for months now been using powder as my liner, and this is by Savvy Minerals. It's just their eyeliner. It's called Jet Setter. It's just a matte black. And then I use, not this brush, I use this brush, which is just a little flat brush. And the nice thing about powder is like you really can't mess it up because it's so forgiving versus like a liquid liner. And I basically just go on and create a wing like I would with liquid, but I just press it on because it's powder. Okay, so I zoomed you in a little bit so you could see better what I'm doing, but I literally just take the brush and I just kind of tap it on and start to create a line. And then once I get a line that is dark enough for my liking, I will just take that brush and start to create the wing. The nice thing about using one of these brushes is you can literally just place it and follow your lower lash line, and it creates like a perfect wing every single time. It's so hard to mess up. So I just kind of press it down and that starts to create the wing, and then I just fill it in. And I've got a beautiful wing that is soft, and I'm probably gonna go and darken it up just a little bit, but it's pretty soft and looks really natural, but really does define the eyes well. So yeah, that's how I do my eyeliner. Eyes are almost done, and now I'm gonna move on to lashes. So the next product is actually the only non-toxic product in this video. It's the only one that's conventional, and that is actually a lash primer. This is just from the drugstore. It's L'Oreal. I really like using a lash primer because I feel like it just helps define my lashes so much. And I just basically put on a couple coats just like I would with mascara, and it really helps thicken them up. My lashes are pretty long naturally, but they're extremely like frail and skinny. So this really just helps define them and make them a lot more voluminous, and I just really like that look. Okay, so primer is on, and next I'm gonna go in with this mascara. It is 100% Pure's Fruit-Pigmented mascara, and they actually use black tea to make it, you know, dark black, which is pretty cool. It is totally natural. So I'm just gonna go in and start working this onto my lashes. And I really like, oh, I just poked myself in the eye a little bit. I really like this brush because it really separates your lashes. I don't know if you guys can see how well it does with separating, which nobody wants clumpy mascara, right? So yeah, so I'm just gonna add on a couple coats of this, and it'll be time for brows. Okay, so next I'm going in with brows, and this is another Hint beauty product. This is their eyebrow definer in taupe. It's just kind of like a pomade, and I absolutely love this stuff. I use this little teeny tiny skinny brush. I think this is a Sigma brush. Honestly, it wore off, so I don't know what number it is, but it's actually an eyeliner brush, but I use it for brows. And I pretty much just use this stuff to kind of outline my brows and fill in any of the sparse areas. So I pretty much just fill in the back tail, which is pretty defined on its own. It just needs a little something. And then in the front, I will go in and kind of build up the front of the brows, because that's where mine are the most sparse. And I really like my brows to frame my face. So I like to really build up that front so it matches kind of the more luminous back end of my brows. Also, this brow pomade stays on really nicely. It really does last all day, I'm a huge fan. I've always been a big eyebrow pomade fan, so I was so excited to find this like non-toxic version, and it works really well. Okay, and then the last thing is just lips. So I'm first going in with this lip liner. I like can't not use lip liner. It's like probably one of my top favorite products, and this is like my holy grail non-toxic eyeliner, or I'm sorry, lip liner. It's by Mineral Fusion in the color Graceful, and it's just like the perfect, just basic nude lip color really, and it just kind of looks like my lips but better, so I just like to line the outside. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with this lip color. This is Plume Pink by 100% Pure. It is such a gorgeous pink, kind of like a deep pink color, which for me, this is like a fall lip color because I am like nude, basic lips all the way. I'm not someone, I mean, every once in a while I'll throw in a dark lip, but I am definitely not someone who goes crazy with lip colors. And for me, this is kind of dark. So it's perfect because it's still, it still like looks, it's like along the line of a nude, just like a really dark, deep nude that really accentuates your lips. Also, this is so comfortable on. It is like seriously so comfortable, and it's a matte too, which like doesn't ever happen, so that's a win. But yeah, I like love, love, love this lip color. I feel like it's perfect for fall if you want something that's like deep and kind of a statement, but also you're not wearing like brown lipstick or like super, super dark like brick red or something like that. So I am obsessed. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I feel like it's just such a warm, rich makeup look, but it still looks pretty natural and it's not over the top. And I think anyone could be able to do this. It really is not super difficult. So I want to say thank you to 100% Pure again for sponsoring this video and working with me. I am now like such a believer in their products. I'm obsessed. Everything just applied so well. Everything, even though it's, you know, comes from fruit, the pigments, it applies so well, and you can really see, I mean, it's strong pigmented stuff. So obsessed, I'm in love. So definitely go check them out. I will link everything down below that I used. And yeah, that is all I have for this video. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.